The Bureau of Indian Standards has just released its machine category specific guidelines for metal cutting machines. If you manufacture milling machines, lathes, ADM, presses or saws, this update is crucial. In this video, we'll walk you through all the major points you need to know, so you can prepare your technical file and application with confidence. Welcome to MindSync. We provide compliance, consulting, legal and advisory services. Let's start with the technical file, the heart of compliance. For every machine type and model, you must maintain a technical file that includes identification of applicable Indian standards, conformity to essential safety requirements, risk assessment reports, safety function controls, compliance with design guidelines from IS 16819, Type A, relevant Type B, and Type C standards. Each machine model must either have its own file or, if part of a family, be referenced in a lead models file with proper technical justification. Now let's understand safety standards, Type A, B, and C. Follows a tiered standard structure. Type A standards, general safety principles, for risk assessment. Type B standards, cover specific safety aspects like guarding or noise. Type C standards, product-specific requirements like milling machines, ADM, presses and other. Next move to risk assessment and hazard identification. Each technical file must include a comprehensive risk assessment using tools like risk matrix, risk graph, numerical scoring. Risks must be identified across multiple dimensions: mechanical, moving elements, sharp edges, tool clamping, ejection of parts; electrical, shock from live parts, arc flash, short circuit; thermal, burns from hot workpieces or fluids; noise and vibration, hearing damage, loss of awareness; material hazards, exposure to mist, coolants, or metal dust; ergonomics, poor posture, visibility, effort-intensive operations; control system failures, unexpected movements, energy release. Also, each risk must be mitigated through safety by design, safety through additional measures like guards or interlocks, safety through usage information, labels, or warning signs. Next, related parts of control systems. A critical part of your safety compliance is the safety-related parts of control systems. These parts must meet ISO 13849 Part 1 standards for performance level, safety category. Depending on machine type, ADM must follow Table 2 of Indian Standard 17259. Milling machines must follow Clause 5.8.6 of Indian Standard 17253. Turning machines, presses, and sawing machines each have tailored control safety configurations. Your technical file must specify the design category and justify its adequacy based on risk levels. Now let's understand family of models and lead model concept. If you manufacture machines in series, you can group them into a family of models. Here's how. Declare all model names or codes. Identify one as the lead model, the one with the highest risk and most features. Justify grouping based on hazard similarity. Risk assessment and compliance reports for the lead model may be used to cover the entire family, provided it's technically validated. Finally, let's see technical marking and safety labels.
Every machine must be marked with
product identifiers, model, serial number, batch, safety instructions, labels, and warning signs. If you need help mapping your metal cutting machines to Indian standards, performing hazard assessments, or designing compliant SRP or CS systems, feel free to reach out us for technical consultations or regulatory filings. Your machine's safety is no longer just a feature, it's a regulatory necessity. In case of any query, please let us know.